Hello, in today's video we will be talking about ChatGPT for natural language processing. Today we'll be discussing how ChatGPT can be used to process natural language and benefit of using it in various applications. So what is natural language processing? Natural language processing, or NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand and process human language in the natural way. NLP involves in a range of tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbot development, and much more. So what is ChatGPT? I have ChatGPT here open up in my browser. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on a GPT-3 architecture, and it is designed to generate natural language responses in input text and can be trained on a wide range of datasets. So the benefits of ChatGPT for NLP, like this, I wanted a quick example. I asked, can you give me an example on ChatGPT for natural language processing, and you can all read, sure, and it gave me an example. So ChatGPT can understand and generate natural language responses, making it an ideal tool for NLP applications. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of applications such as customer support, language translation, text summarization, and much more. ChatGPT can learn from previous interactions and improve its responses over time, making it a powerful and adaptable tool. Examples, like on example for the screen, you can also use it for customer support chatbots. They can provide instant and personalized responses to customer inquiries. Language translation tools that can be translated text from languages to another. Text summarization tools that can generate conversation summaries for long documents, and sentiment analysis tools that can analyze the emotional tone of the text. So in the conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for NLP that can be used for a wide range of applications. It has the ability to understand and generate natural language response, make it an ideal tool for customer support, language translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis, and much more. As a field of NLP continues to evolve, ChatGPT is likely to play an intrinsically important role in enabling computers to process human language in a natural and native way. So guys, thank you for watching this informational video. I hope it helps. Play with it, open ChatGPT, play with it, see what it can do for you, use it for your benefits, and leave a share, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.